there, my name is Zraya Zipanowski and I love to make how-to videos about archiving tools. On today's video, I'm going to show exactly how to uncompress and extract a 7C file. Recently, I was emailed a file from Snakey Snakerson. Naturally, Snakey chose the 7 format to archive the files. Now, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to open 7 files. First, navigate to the Extract 7C file page on EasyZip.com. Choose the file you wish to open. Now it shows the files that Snakey sent over to me. All I have to do is click Save to save the file to my local drive. Now let's see what Snakey sent me. Can't believe Snakey sent me that. What a snake in the grass. Well, I sure hope that helps some of you. Don't forget to subscribe. Except you, Snakey. Hope you try. Easy, 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 easy.